You okay, Noah? Oh.
Oh, yeah. Hi, everyone. Yeah, I'm going to make a video of me riding the scooter, Noah. And I'm going to ride this fast, okay? Happy Eddie! Does he have me looking at this? Happy Eddie!
Yep. Okay, you hold it.
Okay.
Hi, it's me, Logan, and now I'm gonna do it. There you go.
Okay.
Just let me. Ready?
Ready. Logan is riding a scooter. Wow, he's going very far. Now he's down. I think he's going back far. Yep, he is. Whoa, that was cool. Okay, yeah.
Now just a second, Noah.
Hold it. For me.
Okay. Here.
I'll go turn this back.
Yep.
Okay, now.
Now Noah's gonna be riding a scooter. Whee! Woo! Don't hit the car. Or me! I pretty much cleaned out Mom's phone.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh. Whoa! Okay, my turn. One more time. And now you hold it.
Okay. Now Logan is riding the scooter.
Right now.
Don't hit the car. Wow, Logan is going pretty far. Now Logan is coming back. Logan is back.
Hi.
No, that's for Logan. That's not a video. It's for the swimmer. Wow, that is pretty far.
Now it's Noah's turn.
Yep, yeah.
Hold it for a second, Noah,
Okay.
so that I can put your thing down. And there.
Yeah. Oh. Now it's me. Noah.
Yeah, you can do it for the rest, Noah.
Okay, guys. Come on, I need some help.
Okay, just a second. One more minute. Wow! You okay over there?
No, that's what I got. Me.
Now you got 40 more. You got a few more seconds. Noah, come on. Do some more.
Okay.
I'll tell you when we're done.
Okay.
10 more seconds. And we're done.